the biggest argument of Allah against this ummah is that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam did that not through miracles, but through human effort, hard work, sacrifices, facing failures after failures. The commandment comes to him, Anzir Ashiratakal Aqrabin. He calls his relatives, invites them to feast, serves the meals. They take their meals, and when he stands up to put before them his message, there was hooting and shouting, and people went. Nobody heard even a sentence, even a word from him. Total failure. Then after some days, again, meals were served. This time they felt some shame that we have taken meals for twice. Now let us listen what he has to say. But what was the outcome? When he presented his message, the whole, gathering congregation remained silent. Out of the total gathering of Banu Hashim, the whole tribe, only one teenager, 13 years of age, Ali, stood up. Although I am the youngest of all, although I am the weakest of all, but I will help you. And the whole congregation laughed. Look to him. He is going to change the destiny of human race, and he is his supporter, Ali. None else. He was facing these failures. Then commandment came, Fasda' bima tu'mar. He climbed the mount of Safa, called people, Wa sabaha. People gathered. When he presented his message, his real uncle said, your hands may be broken. Tabbat yada. We thought that you have to say something very important to us. We are busy in our jobs. You called us. We thought there is some news of some tribe attacking us. And you called us for these things. On that surah was revealed. Tabbat yada abi lahabin wa tab. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasab. Hands have been broken of Abu Lahab, not of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But even after 10 years of hardest labor, he didn't have more than 150 persons around him. People calling him a shair, a sahir, majnoon, kazzab, mashoor. Not even sahir, mashoor. So actually, what Muhammad accomplished, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he accomplished through hard work, hard labor, facing failures, all the disheartenings, frustrations, griefs and sorrows. Quran says, وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ. Oh Muhammad, we very well know, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, that you are grieved by listening what they are saying about you. فَاصْبِرْ عَلَى مَا يَقُولُونَ وَاهْجُرْهُمْ هَجْرًا جَمِيلًا. Have patience. Bear it with forbearance. Whatever they are saying, take it. So this was the condition. As I quoted, previously, when there was nothing to eat for Bani Israel, man and salwa were given. When there was nothing to eat for Muhammad and his family, which was there in the Shayb Bani Hashim, nothing was given. No man, no salwa. Go hungry for days and days. When there was the battle of Ahzab, Muhammad and his companions, they had tied stones to their bellies. Lest, our backs give way, we collapse. No man, no salwa. Bear it. Take it. You have to pass through it. In the streets of Taif, stoning. body of Muhammad bleeding, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Take it. Have it. So that your ummah should not be able to say after you that what Muhammad did was through his miracles. How can we do it? Miracles could come at every step for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Were the Bani Israel more dear to Allah than Muhammad and his companions? Sallallahu alaihi wasallam wa radiyallahu ta'ala anhum ajma'in. No. But because the ummah has to do this work again, miracles can be sent for messengers of Allah, for prophets of Allah, for not common people. They will have to do it through hard work and struggle and sacrifices and hardships. So you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and you, O companions of our Prophet, you also do it through hard work and hard labor and sacrifices and bearing all the hardships, even giving your life.